look at this. It's like offset for some reason. This is the 9th Street garage here in Modesto, California. US elevators. Oh, whoa, that's weird. They don't have rails. 7, 6. 5. 4. Whoa, damn. Jeez, that is fast. Wait, this is the top floor. Bro, what the fuck? 5, 6, and 7 don't even exist. They just got the COP from something else, I guess. Whoa. Man, that makes your heart, like, drop. Or your stomach drop. That's so funny. Nice level. Let's see what the other one is like. It's so weird how they're offset like that. From the other side, they look lined up. This one's like really small or something. Look at that indicator. Those numbers are huge. It's the same size. I don't know what the point of having it set back is. Wow. 4th floor traction. I think this one is closer to the wall. I don't remember what the other one was like. Interesting floor indicator. Only thing that works is the arrow though. Very strange. Look, they even replaced that. This is the original COP. They just slapped this over it. So this is probably a circle button. EPCO SSL. Interesting elevators, for sure. Pretty fun.